Hello everyone, welcome to the GWM base camp of 2026 China Taklimakan International Rally. This camp covers over 5,000 square meters, the largest in this year. I'll take everyone on a walkthrough. This is the service area for GWM. These 4 vehicles belong to our international drivers. Our technicians are currently carrying out intensive yet well-organized maintenance work. In the upcoming stages of the rally, they are providing full supports for the drivers. This is car number 251. It belongs to Nicholas and his wife from Argentina. Nicholas is a 2-time Dakar Rally champion. This is our maintenance area. We have equipped the team with many rear service support vehicles, all powered by self-made hybrid heavy trucks from GWM. As the saying goes, the troops move only after provisions are in place. The G1050 has the Hy4G intelligent hybrid system, giving strong performance with low fuel consumption. It also features a homegrown chip-level super brain, enabling good coordination between fuel and electric. As the key support vehicles for the rally, the G1050 is mainly responsible for transporting parts and supplies from Beijing to Urumqi, as well as supporting rear service across the rally's 7 major camps. The support vehicles have also been upgraded with an intelligent management system. All spare parts can now be distributed through a QR scanning. The GWM manufacturer camp covers over 3,000 square meters. We also have 2 co-created racing teams. One is the Dongli Machinery Racing Team, and the other is our K-Man Racing Team. And here is our team operations area, which includes a media zone, a medical support zone, and a maintenance area. The facility can take 200 people for work and rest, providing support for all operations and needs. You can see the sponsored product display area. Here is our tent zone, equipped with multiple RVs and rooftop tents, providing our drivers and technicians with proper rest and recovery during the rally. Now we're at the catering area. On the left is our catering truck, while on the right is the dining area. The catering is supported throughout the event by the rear service team, ensuring meal services for all drivers and staff members. With 5,000 square meters across 5 major zones, the GWM base camp will provide efficient and well-organized operations, supporting the team in achieving outstanding results at the 2026 Taklimakan Rally.
GWM. Go with more.